going on? It's Kody Steele with Motor Mouth Entertainment, guys. We're going to do a little bit of sounds with my mouth today. We're going to go into the diesels. A lot of rednecks love their diesel pickups, starting off with the Cummins.
Get them horses loaded up. I mean, in the back of the truck now.
Now, there's nothing that pulls a horse trailer better than the F350. That Cummins ain't got shit. Hey, I heard that. Here's your Powerstroke. More of a rattle, right? Now, we love the Fords, but the Ford guys always flip off the Chevy guys. So here comes the Chevy guy. Move on out of there. Start my Duramax up. Now the Duramax has that whistle. The Chevy Duramax has that whistle and the diesel noise. For instance. Cummins. Powerstroke, more of a rattle. And the whistle with the Chevy Duramax. Thank you, Motor Mouth Entertainment. Keep tuning in, guys. I got much more.